day everyone, we are back. This is ICT News Flash and I'm Jan Arvizo and this is ICT Radio Lucena. Manila, Philippines. 15 children were rescued from a cyber-sex trafficking operation allegedly being run by two young women, both in the...
A new study by Plan International finds 6 out of 10 sex workers go online to seek clients. Some of these clients turn out to be sexual predators who seek to exploit children as young as 11 years old. The study says transactions via Facebook include agreements on the characteristics of the child or adolescent and the customer, terms of payment, specific sexual acts to be performed including the do's and don'ts, length of the sexual service, date, time, and location of the service. Pimps manage Facebook groups with about 5 to 15 girls where photos and profiles are posted.
Arrested was a 17 years old girl who was tagged by the police as the mastermind in her alleged 18 years old accomplice during an entrapment operation at the private pool resort located in the city's Sampolo district. The raid was led by the Interior Secretary Albalus and National Capital Region Police Office Chief Jonel Espon. The suspect and the victims were brought to the Women and Children Protection Center at the NCRPO headquarters at Camp Bagong Diwa in Taguig City for documentation and proper disposition. This is Jan Arvizo, ICT News.